Hi, Delight. Thank you so much for your question on factoring monomials and quadratics. For your first question, which is the one here on the left-hand side, you were asked what is the greatest common factor of 30b squared, 80b squared, and 20b cubed. So again, you have to decide what the highest common factor is in terms of a number, and you have to decide what the highest common factor is in terms of a letter with variables as well. So can you see I've listed the factors of 30, 80, and 20, and in both, can you see that the highest common factor would be 10? So the largest number that you can divide 30, 80, and 20 by would be 10. Furthermore, we have to consider what's happening with b's. So we have b cubed, we have b squared, and then we have b squared again. So the highest value that b cubed can be divided by would be b squared, and b squared can be divided by itself. It goes in one time. So that would be 10b squared, like that. With your second question over here, where we have to work out the missing factor, we are asking ourselves, what do we need to multiply minus 10x to the power of 3 by in order to get 30? So the factor that we need to consider here, we need to write a sign, we need to have a number, and we need to have a variable. So we can see that this 30 over here is positive. So that means this factor over here has to be negative, because a negative times a negative is a positive. What times 10 is 30? That would give us 3. And x cubed times what gives us x to the power of 5? Well, when we multiply like bases, we keep the base and we add the exponents. So that would have to be x to the power of 2. So in other words, we can get 30x to the power of 5 by multiplying negative 10x cubed with negative 3x squared. Okay, I hope this was helpful for you, Delight. Enjoy your day.